At Single Ply Roofing Experts, we protect your commercial property with comprehensive roof inspections, giving you clarity before small issues turn into big problems. Our certified professionals evaluate every critical layer of your roofing system, from membrane wear and insulation to drainage and structural integrity. With drone mapping and thermal imaging, we identify moisture and hidden vulnerabilities, fast, safe, and non-invasive. A neglected roof can lead to energy loss, downtime, and expensive repairs. Regular inspections keep your system running longer and stronger. Whether you're managing a retail plaza, industrial warehouse, or school district, our 20-plus years of experience delivers safety-first service and customized inspection reports that meet your operational goals. Proudly serving California, Nevada, and Arizona, Single Ply Roofing Experts is trusted by building owners, facility managers, and contractors who can't afford to guess when it comes to their roof.